Here at SmartDrone, our mission is clear: to revolutionize how land surveyors work by providing our drone technology and professional services to nearly 50,000 surveyors. They are still doing topographical mapping the traditional way. Our tech lifts surveyors out of the Stone Age and into the drone age. The total addressable market for commercial drones, services, software, surveying, and mapping is currently valued at $95 billion annually and is projected to exceed $680 billion by 2030.
I'm Rob Kamak, founder and CEO of SmartDrone. In 2020, I started SmartDrone to capitalize on this underserved market and to be the U.S.A. drone company. So far, we have 105 customers with projects and sales in 18 states and have generated over $1.5 million in lifetime revenue.
I'm Drew Whitehurst, Executive Vice President responsible for the product and services businesses. With our combined expertise, Rob and I strive to drive growth and create opportunities to win.
We generate recurring revenue by serving as the drone department for surveying companies across the U.S. Our vertically integrated business model allows us to meet the full range of our clients' needs.
Our Discovery 3 drone is an integrated LiDAR and camera platform. It requires only a single operator and works with surveyors' equipment. Our industrial-grade LiDAR sensor gives surveyors the power to see through the trees from above, creating fast and accurate survey-grade deliverables. Our professional services act as a high-value, on-demand technical workforce, enabling smaller surveying companies to compete with larger firms. Our data processing department, overseen by a certified data scientist, ensures expert quality control and brings our clients extra convenience and cost savings.
Right now, we've seen significant developments in the U.S. drone market. Bipartisan support is driving efforts to remove Chinese-manufactured drones from the U.S. due to security concerns. This geopolitical shift can present a massive opportunity for American drone companies to capture market share. We invite you to join us in revolutionizing the land surveying industry. We aim to build our sales department, recruit more technical service providers, and continue developing the Discovery Drone platform. Visit StartEngine today to invest in SmartDrone and be a part of the future of drone technology.